Hello everyone, welcome back to Timeless World. Today, we're exploring 10 solar-powered watches that prove timekeeping can be both sustainable and sophisticated. These timepieces harness the power of light to keep running for years without ever needing a battery replacement. If any of these watches catch your eye, you'll find all the links down in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 10. Citizen Satellite Wave GPS. The Citizen Satellite Wave GPS is an exceptional choice for men who want cutting-edge technology combined with refined, modern design. Powered by Citizen's renowned EcoDrive technology, the watch converts light from any source into energy, eliminating the need for battery replacements and ensuring long-term reliability with minimal maintenance. Its most impressive feature is GPS satellite timekeeping, which connects to satellites and synchronizes with atomic clocks around the world, delivering remarkable accuracy wherever you travel. The 43mm stainless steel case offers durability while maintaining a sleek, polished look that transitions effortlessly from casual settings to formal occasions. With 100 meters of water resistance, it comfortably handles daily wear, swimming, and light water activities. A perpetual calendar, world time function, and luminous hands enhance practicality and readability in all conditions. Although mastering its advanced features may take time, the reward is precision performance wrapped in a stylish, eco-friendly timepiece built for modern travelers. Number 9. Seiko Prospex Speed Timer Solar. If you love the iconic Daytona-inspired look, but don't want the five-figure price tag or years-long waiting list, the Seiko Prospex Speed Timer Solar SC813, often nicknamed the Seatona by enthusiasts, is one of the best options for 2026. Since its release, this model has gained massive popularity thanks to its balanced design and outstanding value. Inside, beat Seiko's Caliber V192 solar chronograph movement, delivering accuracy of approximately 15 seconds per month, along with a practical power reserve indicator displayed on the subdial. The 39mm case size makes it exceptionally wearable, offering one of the most comfortable chronograph experiences available today. Its sandblasted white dial paired with contrasting black subdials creates a timeless panda-style aesthetic that feels both sporty and refined. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and 100 meters of water resistance ensure durability beyond everyday wear, even allowing for swimming. Typically priced around $500 and often found closer to $440, the Speed Timer Solar perfectly blends Seiko's racing heritage with modern, low-maintenance solar convenience. Number 8. Casio Pro Trek PR Double U3510. Built for serious outdoor adventure, the Casio Pro Trek PR U3510 is a rugged solar-powered watch engineered for explorers and nature enthusiasts. Powered by Casio's tough solar technology, it charges using any light source and delivers an impressive power reserve of up to 7 months, ensuring reliability during extended trips away from charging options. The durable 48mm resin case offers excellent shock resistance, along with 200 meters of water resistance, making it suitable for hiking, climbing, swimming, and demanding outdoor conditions. Its advanced triple sensor system includes an altimeter, barometer, and digital compass, providing essential environmental data for navigation and weather awareness. Atomic timekeeping automatically adjusts for precise accuracy anywhere in the world. Despite its large presence on the wrist, the lightweight construction keeps it comfortable for all-day wear. Combining durability, practical tools, and dependable solar performance, the PRW3510 stands out as an excellent value for outdoor adventurers. Number 7. Garmin Instinct Solar. The Garmin Instinct Solar blends advanced smartwatch technology with exceptional rugged durability, making it a top choice for active men in 2025. Built to U.S. military standards for thermal resistance, shock protection, and water resistance, this watch is designed to perform reliably in extreme environments. Its solar charging power glass lens significantly extends battery life, allowing longer use during outdoor adventures with regular sun exposure. Equipped with GPS navigation, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress analysis, and multiple sports modes, it supports everything from hiking and running to swimming and tactical training. Smart notifications keep users connected when paired with a smartphone, while specialized tactical features add extra functionality for serious explorers and professionals. The monochrome display ensures clear visibility even in bright sunlight. While its sporty, rugged design favors performance over formal style, the Garmin Instinct Solar stands out as one of the most capable and dependable solar smartwatches available today. Number 6. Citizen ProMaster Diver. The Citizen ProMaster Diver is a reliable and stylish solar-powered dive watch designed for men who demand performance underwater. Utilizing Citizen's EcoDrive technology, it charges from any light source and maintains a 6-month power reserve, eliminating the need for battery changes. The 44mm stainless steel case is robust and ISO certified for 200-meter water resistance, making it suitable for diving, swimming, and other water activities. A unidirectional bezel and highly luminous hands and markers ensure clear visibility even in low-light underwater conditions. Its classic dial design allows the watch to transition seamlessly from rugged adventures to everyday or formal wear. Combining durability, affordability, and dependable solar technology, the ProMaster Diver remains one of the best value solar dive watches available in 2026, offering long-lasting performance for both enthusiasts and casual users alike. Number 5. G-Shock Full Metal 5000. The G-Shock Full Metal 5000 redefines the classic G-Shock with premium materials and solar-powered performance. Inspired by the original 1983 design, it blends retro aesthetics with modern technology, creating a timepiece that is both stylish and durable. Its stainless steel case provides shock resistance and 200-meter water resistance, making it suitable for tough environments and daily wear. Equipped with tough solar charging, the watch can maintain a power reserve of up to 22 months with regular light exposure. Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless smartphone syncing, access to world time, alarms, and other smart functions. The digital display remains easy to read, while the robust metal construction adds a sleek urban edge. With its combination of rugged durability, solar efficiency, and classic design, the Full Metal 5000 is a standout choice for men seeking a versatile, long-lasting, and stylish solar-powered watch. Number 4. Tissa T-Touch Connect Solar. The Tissa T-Touch Connect Solar perfectly blends traditional Swiss watchmaking with modern smartwatch innovation, making it an excellent choice for men who want advanced features without sacrificing classic style. Crafted with a lightweight yet durable titanium case, the watch is built for both everyday wear and outdoor activities. Its advanced photovoltaic cells allow it to charge using any light source, delivering reliable, low-maintenance performance. A tactile sapphire crystal enables intuitive touch controls, giving users access to fitness tracking, notifications, weather updates, and chronograph functions directly from the wrist. The hybrid analog-digital display maintains the elegance of a traditional timepiece while seamlessly integrating smart technology. With strong water resistance and a refined design, it transitions easily from professional environments to adventure settings. Combining sustainability, precision, and innovation, the T-Touch Connect Solar stands out as a premium hybrid watch for modern, tech-focused users in 2026. Number 3. Garmin Fenix 6 Pro Solar. The Garmin Fenix 6 Pro Solar is designed for athletes and serious adventurers who demand maximum performance from their watch. Featuring advanced solar charging technology, it extends battery life up to 16 days with regular sun exposure, making it ideal for long expeditions and endurance activities. The rugged titanium or stainless steel case, combined with 100-meter water resistance, ensures durability in challenging environments, from mountain trails to open water. Equipped with multi-GNSS navigation support, including GPS, GLO, NASS, and Galileo, the watch delivers highly accurate tracking and positioning. Performance-focused features such as VO2 max estimation, heart rate monitoring, sleep analysis, and advanced training metrics help users optimize workouts and recovery. Preloaded topographic maps, multiple sports modes, and smart notifications enhance everyday usability. Built for reliability, precision, and versatility, The Phoenix 6 Pro Solar stands out as a powerful, all-in-one wearable for performance-driven users in 2026. Number 2. TAG Ur Aquarica Professional 200 Solargraph. Starting off strong, the TAG Ur Aquarica Professional 200 Solargraph perfectly demonstrates how Swiss luxury meets modern sustainability. Powered by TAG Heuer's TH50 Solar Quartz movement, developed in collaboration with La Jo Parrot, the watch converts light into energy and can run for up to 6 months after only a few hours of sunlight exposure. Built around a lightweight yet durable 40mm titanium case, it offers excellent comfort while maintaining a strong premium presence on the wrist. The brushed finish subtly reflects light, enhancing its refined spore aesthetic. Its deep black sunray dial is specially designed to allow light to reach the solar cells beneath while preserving a sleek, elegant appearance. Luminescent hands and hour markers ensure outstanding readability in low-light conditions, while 200 meters of water resistance makes it ready for swimming, diving, or everyday adventure. A sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating protects the dial from scratches and glare. On the wrist, the Aquaracker feels balanced, technical, and unmistakably premium, not just a tool watch, but a statement of modern watchmaking. Priced around $3,200, it represents TAG Heur's forward-thinking innovation wrapped in a luxurious and sustainable design. Number 1. G-Shock Rangement. Taking the top spot is the G-Shock Rangement, the ultimate solar-powered watch built for extreme conditions and serious outdoor adventures. Designed to perform in survival environments, it features exceptional shock and mud resistance along with 200-meter water resistance, ensuring reliability in harsh weather and demanding terrain. Powered by Casio's tough solar technology, the watch charges through any light source and provides an impressive power reserve of up to 9 months, reducing the need for maintenance during long expeditions. Its advanced triple sensor system includes a digital compass, altimeter, and barometer, delivering accurate environmental data essential for navigation and weather awareness. The large, easy-to-read display enhances usability in tough conditions, while its durable construction ensures long-term performance. Combining rugged toughness, practical tools, and eco-friendly solar efficiency, the G-Shock Rangement stands out as the definitive solar watch for adventurers seeking reliability and performance in 2026.